Hello friends, in this video we will see what is the judiciary and the court system in Greece. Supreme Special Court, this is also called Constitutional Court. This court is not a permanent court. This court sits only when a case to its special competence arises. This court has 11 members. Now, who are the members? Let us see. One is President of Supreme Court. One member is President of the Council of the State. One member is a President of the Court of Audit. 4 judges of the Supreme Courts. 4 judges of the Council of State. Now, what this court does? This court is regarded as a supreme constitutional court of Greece. This court decides cases involving the constitutionality of laws and election disputes. The decisions of this court are final and binding on all courts, including Supreme Courts. This court decides on the interpretation of the provisions of such statutes when conflicting judgments have been pronounced by Supreme Administrative Court, Supreme Civil and Criminal Court, or the Court of Audit. Then we have Supreme Judicial Council. Now, what is this purpose of this council? This council is an independent and autonomous body which shall provide and guarantee independence and autonomy of courts and judges. This council has 15 members. The term of the member is 1 year. All members of this council are judges who belong to the Supreme Administrative Court, and they are chosen by lot from amongst those having served in it for at least 2 years. Now, what this Supreme Judicial Council does? This council is responsible for promotions, assignments to post, transfers, detachments, and transfers to another branch of magistrate of the Supreme Administrative Court. This council decides on matters of educational leave in Greece or abroad of judges of the Supreme Administrative Court or the ordinary administrative courts. It is mandatory that the decision of the Judicial Council is followed by presidential decree. Then there is a Supreme Disciplinary Council. There are 9 members, 1 President of the Supreme Administrative Court, 2 Vice President or Councillors of the Supreme Administrative Court, 2 Vice Presidents or members of Supreme Civil and Criminal Court, 2 Vice Presidents or Councillors of the Court of Audit, 2 law professors from law schools. Then what are the civil courts in Greece? Courts of first instance, courts of appeal, court of cassation, small claims court. Then what are the criminal courts? Mixed court of first instance, mixed court of appeal, court of cassation, misdemeanor court, magistrate court. What are the administrative courts? Administrative courts of first instance, administrative court of appeal, ordinary administrative courts, Council of State. So friend, this is the judiciary and the court system which is there in the Greece. In our next video, we will see what are the other features mentioned in the constitution of Greece. Thank you.